Hi, I am Pez-Tech. Sit back, relax, and feel free to watch these videos as many times as you like. I am very happy you are here. Always remember that it is never too late to learn anything. And Pez-Tech, your tech-savvy chihuahua, is always right here to help.
Today we're going to talk about something very important, protecting your privacy online. Now, don't worry, we're going to keep this simple. We'll go slowly. And remember, you are always in control. So what does online privacy really mean? Online privacy is about your personal information. It's about who can see it and who can use it. Personal information includes things like your full name, your address, your phone number, your birth date, and your financial details. These are pieces of information that belong to you, and you get to decide when and where they are shared. Privacy matters because it helps prevent identity theft. It reduces scams, and it protects your accounts. The more careful you are with your information, the safer you are online. One helpful habit is this: share less, not more. On social media, you don't need to post your address. You don't need to share travel plans before you leave. And you don't need to answer every personal question. Before you post or type something, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, would I be comfortable if everyone could see this? Most apps and websites also have privacy settings. These settings let you control who sees your posts and your information. It's a good idea to review these settings once in a while. You don't have to understand every option. Just focus on limiting what is public. Let's talk about public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi, like at a coffee shop or airport, is shared with many people. That means it's not the best place to check bank accounts or enter sensitive information. If you use public Wi-Fi, avoid logging into important accounts and always log out when you're finished. Be careful with emails and online forms, too. If a website asks for personal information unexpectedly, stop and double-check. Look at the website address carefully. Make sure it looks correct and familiar. If something feels rushed, unusual, or confusing, pause. You are never required to share information just because a website asks for it. And remember this: you can always say no. You can leave a website. You can close a page. You can ignore a form. Trust your instincts. Protecting your privacy doesn't mean being afraid of technology. It simply means being thoughtful. Slow down. Check first. Share carefully. You are learning how to use technology in a smart and confident way. I'm proud of you for taking the time to protect what matters. You've got this. Please feel free to support this YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. This is always free, and there is nothing to cancel. When you subscribe, that helps us make more of these videos for everyone. Also, if you can please click the thumbs up button to show that you like this and my other videos. See you on the next one.